Find or read reviews that people are talking about AIRTHRYL Large 3-in-1 Windowless Portable Air Conditioner, 2200 CFM Evaporative Air Cooler. Why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Because it has the following features. This multifunctional ductless air conditioner integrates an air cooler, humidifier, and cooling fan into one efficient unit. It is perfect for dry climates and hot summer days. You could set up according to your needs. Compared to conventional air conditioners, it operates using up to 86.8% less energy. Equipped with cutting-edge 2025 cooling tech, this compact evaporative air cooler offers efficient and powerful performance thanks to its high-speed motor, optimized airflow system, and premium density cooling pads. Lower temperatures by up to 16.2 degrees Fahrenheit or 8.9 degrees Celsius, and boost cooling by adding ice. Choose from 1 to 7 hours. The windowless air conditioner turns off automatically, so you save energy and stay comfortable all day or night. Whisper quiet design, perfect not just for homes, but also for garage, coffee house, schools, and offices. The portable air cooler with an 8-gallon tank allows it to run for 9 to 15 hours on a single filling without frequently refilling. Just add 1 ice packs, fill the top-loading 8-gallon water tank, and switch to cool mode for air conditioning like cooling. The large room air conditioner. Just 11 pounds, lightweight and easy to carry. Features a built-in handle and 4 smooth 360-degree swivel wheels. Roll effortlessly from room to room, bedroom, kitchen, office, or even between floors. Easy to read LCD panel for quick reading of control of the speed levels, cooling mode, and 7-hour timer of the portable air conditioner. Plus easy to use top touch panel and full function remote control, works up to 20 feet, adjust all setting or turn it off without leaving your sofa. If you want to get full highlight features and or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.